Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to create modifiers in the Slimrate POS system. Once you're logged in, go to the main panel and select Inventory. At the top of the screen, switch to the Modifiers tab. Now, in the top right corner, click New to create a new group of modifiers. Start by filling out the group details. Enter a name and add a description if you'd like. Next, set how many modifiers can be selected for an order. You can allow just one, or let customers pick several by setting the minimum and maximum number of choices. Now move to the right column. This is where you create the modifiers themselves. Click Add Modifiers and fill in all the fields. Enter the name, add an item if it should be deducted from inventory, set the portion size for this modifier, add a price increase if needed, and choose a picture or color for the modifier. That's it. Your first modifier is ready. Add the rest using the same steps. When everything is done, click Save in the bottom right corner. And you're all set. Now you know how to create modifiers in the Slimrate POS system. Thanks for watching.